Title: Introducing the IR.AQUA Water Production Unit. Introduction. With the ever-increasing water scarcity around the world, finding innovative solutions for providing clean drinking and agricultural water is of paramount importance. Rashn Sazhe Bena Company is proud to introduce the IR.AQUA unit as an advanced and efficient solution for producing water from air, humidity, and steam. Key features: production capacity, 100 cubic meters of water per 24 hours. Applications: suitable for domestic, agricultural, and industrial uses. Energy: utilizes renewable energy sources. Filtration: no filters required. Pollution: produces zero pollution. Energy consumption: lowest energy consumption compared to competitors. Benefits: access to clean water, provides clean and safe drinking water even in water-scarce areas. Increased agricultural efficiency, assists farmers in increasing crop production during droughts. Sustainable industry, offers a sustainable solution for industrial water needs. Environment, preserves the environment by producing no pollutants. How it works. The IR.AQUA unit operates through a process called atmospheric water generation, AWG. This process involves cooling the air to the point of condensation and converting it into water. Applications: water-scarce areas, providing drinking and agricultural water in areas facing water scarcity. Polluted areas, offering clean drinking water in areas with contaminated water supplies. Industries, providing water for various industrial applications. Conclusion: the IR.AQUA unit is an innovative and efficient solution for producing clean drinking and agricultural water from air, humidity, and steam. With its high production capacity, low energy consumption, and zero pollution, this unit can play a significant role in solving the global water scarcity problem. Call to action. For more information about the IR.AQUA unit and how to order it, please visit the Rashn Sazhe Bena Company website. Website address: https://m.